Mabuhay and good morning to everybody. I am Ron Bugarin and I will be reporting on Module 15, Section C, Episode 7 on producing radio spots. So my previous classmates in our section has already discussed why there is a need to do radio spots and its advantages, as well as some of the types of radio spots, as well as the format and structure of radio spots. For my discussion, I will be focusing on the guidelines on how to produce a very effective radio spot. So, the objective of this discussion is first and foremost to understand how to effectively produce a radio spot that can attract audiences, as well as to craft memorable and impactful radio spots. The first thing to consider in producing a radio spot is to understand your audience so that the message can be tailor fitted to your target audience. There should be a research on the audience preferences, such as their habits, preferences, and goals to tailor fit the message. We should also consider the demographic factors like age, gender, income, and lifestyle data so that messages can target a specific demographic group. And finally, we should tailor fit the message timing and content of our audience. We should understand when do they consume content and messages online and where they get it from. Another guideline that has to be considered when doing radio spots is to avoid lengthy discussions. Remember that radio spots have time constraints. It can only last from 15 to 60 seconds, so we have to employ brief and focused messaging as well as a snappy delivery pace. Also, we should use clear and simple languages that can trigger impactful ideas. It is also effective to catch the audience in the first 5 seconds of your radio spots by using what we call powerful hooks. This can either be a startling revelation, a striking information, intriguing statement, dramatic point, a stimulating dialogue, odd or curious fact, or using personality endorsements as well as human interest report or pun. This can either enhance or make the audience be attracted to the radio spot. We should also be creative in catching at the audience attention. Engaging them through compelling storytelling and narratives can vividly engage our listeners to your spot. Also, we have to incorporate humor and immersive sound effects to make the message enjoyable and memorable. And lastly, repeating the brand name or taglines can strengthen the recall and solidify the brand identity in listeners' minds. We should also make the audience visualize the words in the radio spot. Since there is no visual representation of the message, you must be able to make a mental picture to your audience's mind. This would also entail using descriptive words to evoke sights, sounds, and emotions to create vivid mental images. You should also be able to connect your message to commonly daily experiences of the audience for stronger listener engagement and personal connection. Another thing to consider when producing radio spots is to discuss the benefits of the product or service being offered. We must focus on the customer's gain and highlight what customers can get from this product instead of just listing features to answer their key question, what's in it for me? We should also induce enticements and motivate customer action by offering incentives like discounts or limited time offers for a particular product or service. Also, something to consider is to devise a memorable call to action for your target audience. It should be clear and must create a sense of urgency to prompt immediate action from the audience. And also, repeating messages helps ensure that the audience remember the next steps to take. And also, end strong by using strong declarations, conflict resolution, comical note, or a clear reminder. After the radio spot has been produced, it is also good to pre-test them before going live. It would be also good to conduct pre-tests through focus group discussion with the sample audience to help evaluate the radio spot's appeal and clarity before airing. Also, we have to be able to gather feedback to identify confusion or disengagement from the audience and make necessary adjustment to improve the spot. Here is a sample radio spot produced by the Ad Standards Council to prevent any type of scam that can arise from radio advertisements.
Ito ay radio ad tungkol sa radio ads. Kung binentahan kayo ng sabong pampaputi, pati budhi mo puputi, pabubudol ba kayo? May Ad Standards Council code na dapat sundin ng lahat ng advertisers. Bawal ang ganitong exaggerated claims dahil ang deserve ng consumers yung totoo, hindi panloloko. Kung may proof na ang sabon mo nakapuputi ng budhi, go! Idaan sa Ad Standards Council. Learn more at asc.com.ph.
So to summarize our discussion on the effective radio spots, we need to understand our key audience, avoid lengthy discussions, catch their attention in the first 5 seconds, and be creative in catching their audience's attention. We should also make the audience visualize the words that are coming from the radio spot, as well as discuss the benefits of the products and services being offered, and devise a memorable call to action. And it is also good to have a pre-test before going live with the radio spot. This concludes my discussion on how to effectively produce a radio spot. I'd like to hear your thoughts on the discussion forum posted in our portal and hope to hear from you soon. This is DJ Ron signing off.